Giraffe and Givvy both let users earn rewards through mobile activities, but they focus on different ways of earning, which means the better choice depends on how you prefer to spend your time. By the end, you'll know how Giraffe and Givvy compare, what each app offers, and what to check before choosing one. Giraffe is mainly focused on earning rewards by discovering and playing mobile games. The app connects users with games, tracks activity, and provides rewards based on completed offers. Givvy offers a broader reward experience that can include different types of activities depending on the specific Givvy app or service you use. The available earning options and rewards can change over time, so checking the current offers inside the app is the best way to compare. If your goal is earning through mobile games, Giraffe may be easier to understand because the process is centered around game offers. You select a game, install it through the app, and complete the listed requirements to earn rewards. With Givvy, the first step is checking which earning options are currently available. Different activities may have different requirements, so reviewing the details before spending time helps you avoid choosing tasks that do not match your goals. Another important comparison is how each app handles rewards and withdrawals. Check the payment methods, minimum cash-out requirements, and any account rules before completing tasks. The amount of effort required also matters. A reward offer is only useful if the time needed to complete it matches the value you receive. Read each offer carefully and understand the steps before starting. The user experience is another factor. Giraffe is built around mobile gaming rewards, while Givvy may provide a different mix of activities depending on the version of the app you use. The easiest way to decide between them is to test both with a small amount of time. Compare how simple the tasks are, how clearly progress is tracked, and how easy it is to redeem rewards. The key points are: Giraffe focuses on game-based rewards, Givvy offers a different reward platform experience, and the better app depends on the activities you enjoy and the payout options available. Your next step is to open both apps, compare the current earning options, and start with the one that matches your preferred way of earning rewards. Subscribe for more app comparisons and reward app guides.